All right, let's get right into it here. Market is up about 0.45% on the S&P. However, what really led this entire market, look at these guys right here: semiconductor, Russell 2000, biotech, and retail. Look at these numbers right here. These guys led the entire market today.
Perfect.
And you know, everything else, you see Nasdaq is pretty much flat today. S&P is 0.4%. I mean, if you look at the leaders, S&P is slowing down, Nasdaq is slowing down, semiconductor is not slowing down. These are the laggers here. We got the Russell 2000, biotech, and retail. And so with the help of these laggards and the semiconductor continues to be hot, we have the entire market staying afloat, continues to grind higher. On top of that, that micro-term moving average is relentlessly supporting the buyers, as you can see on the S&P.
Perfect.
That micro-term has not been breached ever since it was reclaimed on this gap up right here. And that micro-term's been holding here for a couple days. As you can see, if you look at NASDAQ, QQQ on 65-minute chart, you realize that micro-term's been just leading the entire NASDAQ for days. On top of that, we have that oscillator crossing back up right here. Wow. Which it needs a follow through. Last time when we did see that cross, we did see a couple days of run up right on that micro-term here. So that's a micro-term. And we just got the cross here. Everything is set for bullish outcome tomorrow. We just hit all-time high level here on the last hour. We faded just a little bit, but you can see on the intra hour, we tagged the all-time high level. Micro-term moving average held. And you can see we have all the momentum here. Buyers rested a little bit. We have room to move, as you can see on that oscillator. Everything looks bullish. What bulls need to dodge is a down gap, shenanigan down gap, sizable down gap. If it's a small tiny down gap, as long as it's above micro-term, bulls can probably still push it higher and fill that down gap quickly. But any sort of sizable down gap below the micro-term, currently micro-term is traveling at 520 on 26, anything sizable down gap, that's gonna stir things up. We're gonna see that oscillator whipsawing back down here, and a lot of panic is gonna ensue. Because again, market likes to do this, right? Make it seem like everything looks bullish, everything's back to normal, everything's back to bull market, everybody's jumping in late, right? And market must punish those late jumpers. But sometimes a market is gonna feel a little generous about these late jumpers and gonna feel a little bit of a empathy towards them and pity them and let them make a little run here to maybe even 530 or so, which is a possibility going into remainder of this week. Again, we do need to see a follow through. Everything looks bullish. This is a level that you want to be kind of cautious when everything looks bullish, whatever everybody's thinking about it's going to continue this entire week. There could be a shenanigan. Watch the micro term. If the micro term is lost, watch the rising pivot right here.